its artistic way. Medyo mahirap na gawin, pero ako naiyak.
Love you, Timmy.
Gusto ko lang magpakita ng bago at sa mga nagsasabing hindi ako marunong sa ganitong klaseng role. Ito na yun. So, I want to prove all of them wrong and that I can do more than what they know. So, thank you talaga sa Dreamscape. And of course, si Pao din naman, malaking tulong din siya dahil kita ko naman yung respeto niya sa akin. And sa mga director namin na inaalagaan yung mga shots and yung mga cameramans namin, sa mga nag-iilaw, ang ganda ng launching ng body ko, thank you so much. And sa nag-choreo sa akin, thank you. Sa gym trainers ko, thank you so much. Pero more than the skin, it's parang more than the skin, it's what's inside me and what I want to show to all my supporters. And kung kakaroon man ng bagong supporters, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Kim. Actually, follow-up question dito for Pao. Reaction daw dito, same question. Just following up from this question from Reggie Punoan.
Well, I don't think it's about skin or about parang it comes with the maturity of the role and what the role requires. So minsan talaga may mga character, may mga storya na gustong ikwento at sa mga ganitong paraan kailangan dahil kung nagbebenta naman talaga ng aliw yung character, ang hirap naman kung hindi mo nakikita or napapanood at hindi na ipapakita sa audience na hindi niya ginagawa yan. So it comes with the also the maturity of the actress. Pero mas character-driven po ito. At kami po dito ay very loyal and very dedicated. How do I call it? Dedicated. Yung dedikasyon na binibigay namin sa character namin ay purely for our character. At yan nga, hindi niya totally. Sige, hindi ko nadadagdagan.
And of course, that's mastering the craft. Thank you so much, Kim and Pao, for answering yung buena mano nating mga katanungan. Yun naman po para kina Direk Jojo and Direk Onat. Direk Jojo, ang inyong pong question is from social media. You also directed Kim Pao for Din Lang. For the Alibi, mas daring ang roles nila. How did you guide them for sexy and challenging scenes? At yung nag-workshop po ba si Kim for her role as an escort?
With the question, hindi naman siya, nasabi nga nila, it's for the maturity of the character kasi yun yung inaral nila. Hindi siya nag-workshop, pero she's very open, especially yung dance niya. Trivia, nakaschedule kasi yun kay FMR. Tapos ako sabi ko, gusto kong gawin yung role. Kaya ako na yung nag-choreo. Joke!
You lived through her.
It was my fantasy, actually. Kaya parang alter ego ko yan. Hindi, pero nung na-schedule, parang we talked with my DOP, the Kim Pao, tapos yung nandun din si Carlina, si BUH. Makikita mo yung maturity kasi sabi ko, ito yan, ganyan. May mga reaction si Kim na, talaga ba? Ganyan. Pero she did it very well. Ang galing-galing talaga ng pagkakagawa kasi open talaga siya. It's very different from Lin Lang, story-wise and character-wise. Pero they were very open with regarding to the roles. Makikita mo talaga yung difference.
Thank you, Direk Jojo. Ngayon naman po para kay Direk Onat, based on the trailer, very intense and high emotions ang mga scenes. Can we still expect killing scenes from Kim Pao despite the series being heavy on mystery drama?
Actually, yung one thing I discovered sa unang sampa ko pa lang dun sa show na to, nung makita ko magkasama on screen yung dalawa, yung kilig talaga from Kim Pao is very innate and organic. Hindi siya tinatrabaho. In fact, unang isa na parang ginawa ko sinabi ko kay Pao mismo. Sabi ko, hindi ng chemistry niya, wala pa kayong ginagawa. Pero naramdaman ko agad yung meron ng something. So, expect that you would really root for the couple. Kasi built-in naman talaga sa kanilang dalawa yun. So, yung kilig naman na makukuha nyo dito is not so much a fan servicing kilig. Everything is done in the service of the story. At malalaman nyo kung bakit, even within the excitement and the high-octane drama and action, bakit lahat kayo root pa rin dun sa dalawang characters to end up together. And I think that's the most rewarding kind of kilig that we can offer the viewing public.
Thank you, Direx.
Love that. Ngayon naman, galing kay Jay of Certified Kapamilya. This is for Kim and Milby. What was, so si Kim muna yung sasagot, what was the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life and how did you respond?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening.
From Jay of Certified Kapamilya ito.
Worst alibi?
Tapos ano daw, how did you respond?
Worst alibi. Ang sagot na, hindi ko alam. Yeah, that's super worst. Ba't mo ginawa ko hindi mo alam? Tapos pag nagre-respond, yung respondent is, yung sagot ko ay, wala, hindi ko na kinausap yung tao. Yes. Yung tatanungin mo, bakit ka, hindi ko alam. So, di ba nakaka-irita yun? So wala na, iniwan ko na. Bakit parang may Hindi ba dapat?
Okay. Ngayon naman, kay Sam, by the way, very great performance.
Thank you.
Ano ang sagot mo sa what was
Yes.
the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life and how did you respond?
I actually don't know. I can't think of anything. I don't think I've been put in a situation where I've needed to, I've heard an alibi na parang wala akong maisip actually. I'm so sorry. I know that's
Okay lang.
pero wala akong maisip eh.
Mag-sorry ka kay Jay of Certified.
Jay, I'm so sorry. Wala akong maisip ngayon. I'm so sorry, Jay. I feel like I haven't put in a position that, I know, yeah. I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much. Ngayon naman for Sophia, from Jay of Certified Kapamilya again.